Namaskar Satya, my name is Khatiwada. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for checking back. Now we have our special friend to talk to us about things that are beyond resumes as well. This is Shuvechchha Ghimire. He lives in the UK. He studies computer engineering there. He's founder and CEO of an amazing startup called Unitech UK, who help the universities and colleges to manage their clearing issues and streamline the admission process. Let's give her a call and find out from her. Hello, Subha. कैसा हाल खबर?
एकदम ठीक ठाक.
Well, thank you for talking to us. All yours.
It's all my pleasure. At Unitech, we are really passionate about AI and machine learning. As such, we're looking for graduates who are passionate about AI, about machine learning, about taking challenges, and working the extra mile. How do we search for these graduates? There are three things that I've found that has sort of stood out in the CVs that I've looked. First, sure, do your CV, make it interesting, list all the activities that you've done, but also create additional documents. For instance, a GitHub account that shows the code that you've done in your final year project, or a YouTube video link where I can go and see what you're passionate about. That sort of stands out. The second thing is get your LinkedIn right, make it professional, engage with the companies that you're trying to apply to. A lot of employers nowadays look for potential hires in LinkedIn, which is why it's best to get that right. The third thing is an insider connection. An insider connection works big time. We have all heard about it, but we don't necessarily pursue it. I would suggest everybody to pursue internal connections. Find them, connect with them, tell them all about your passion and professional interest. They would be the strongest cover letter that you would find while applying to these companies. Lastly, I just want to end by saying, practice your interviews, call a friend, have them ask you as many questions as possible until you feel like you've told everything about yourself. Good luck.